नमः चिरादत्तं निजगुप्तवित्तं सप्रेमनामामृतमेतुदार अपामरं यो विततार गौरः कृष्णो जनेभ्य स्तमहं प्रपद्ये चिरादत्तं निजगुप्तवित्तं। श्री चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला चैप्टर 23 सनातन शिक्षा 23 chapter Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teach to Sanatana Goswami. First he spoke Sambandha, after then Avidya, now speaking Prayojanta. Chirada Adatta, long time never give this secret praying, Braja praying. Ati Udar, very kindness Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so praying, his own praying. Braja Bhakti, Radha praying. Also Harinam Sankirtan, give to everyone. So I pray to Gauranga Mahaprabhu of her obeisances to him. Jai Jai Gaur Chandra, Jai Nityananda, Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Jaya Jaya Gaur Chandra Jaya Nityananda, Jaya Advaita Chandra Jaya Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Evi Suna Bhakti Phal Prem Prayojan Jar Sravane Hai Bhakti Rasagyan. So now you can listen praying. Prayan Tattva, our goal is praying. When following bhakti process, there result is praying. So you can listen. Bhakti Ras Tattva. Krishna Rati Gara Haile Prema Vidhan Krishna Bhakti Rase Sei Sthai Bhavana. Before sport bhav. When following bhakti process, then our goal is pray. Following bhakti process, there bhav is end. In sadhak life, when bhav come in, then understand all. Then bhajan is complete. But this bhav will be more deeply bhav. Then God pray. Krishna Bhakti Rase Sai Sthai Bhavana. Krishna Bhakti Ras. Bhakti will be Ras. Sthai Bhav. Krishna is our relation. We have relation with Sri Krishna. After that bhava, शुद्ध सत्य विशेष आत्मा प्रेम सूर्यांशु सम्मोह पृथ्वी चित्तमाश्रिन्नो हृदसो भावोच्यते। शुद्ध सत्य विशेष आत्मा। In our heart, material life, we have three gunas. Passion mood, darkness mood, and sweetness mood. All the time change these things. Many times darkness mood, many times sweetness mood. In this way, change our mind life. But when heart becomes bhakti mood, only pure mood, Shuddha Sattva, no any mood coming, no passion mood, no darkness. Also, gladness, mercy. Gladness, Sri Radhika's mercy. When coming in our heart, Ruchi means Chittamasya, no? Hearing Krishna Katha, tasteful mood, then heart becomes pure, very soft. At that time, bhav comes, mood comes. এই দুই ভাবের স্বরূপ তটস্থ লক্ষণ, প্রেমের লক্ষণ এবে শুন সনাতন বিপুষ্পুর ভাব। Now pray.
刚才讲的都关于情感8个话题，现在的话要比情感更深的就是纯爱。
So bhav many heart become pure. Shuddha Sattva, gladness, mercy, bhav coming in our heart. And second thing, tatastha lajja, heart become pure, very soft heart.
That's the first level. Then second, prem. What is prem?
Now speaking prem. Samagma srinita santa mamatta atishayankita bhava saiva sandratma budai prema nigaddate. Samagma srinita santa. When heart becomes soft, no any spot, mamatta atishayankita, mamata, possessiveness. More possessiveness in our heart. So bhava saiva sandratma, very deeply bhav, this is called prema. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata.
আগে নাও ভাড়া এখন ভাড়া দিয়ে আসে তাহলে সব useless job করছে কোনো cost 한지 빵 하나 이거 5분要给你钱你钱要给5分这都挺好干
Only person.
only for 3 night কেন ওয়ান থার্টি
এই উপরে দড়ি দিয়ে গেল না পুরে
বইটা একটু কেটে যাবে সব ঘুষে ঘুষে ওড়াচ্ছে না কেটে যাবে
কেন
খেয়ে যাচ্ছে দড়ি এর গায়ে সিমেন্টের গায়ে টিকবে না দড়ি
Do we use this with gas though? আপনি বলো
অনন্য মমতা বিষ্ণু
তোমার বলো কোথায়
মমতা প্রেম ও সঙ্গতা
ಇದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲಾಗೋ ನಾ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲಾಗೋ ಈಗ ಲೈವ್ চলবে না ನಾವು ಬಾದ কিছু হবে না কি হবে
এদিকে এসো।
অনন্য মমতা
বাজারে
মাথা
সারাদিন আরাম
more possessiveness.
更厚重的更深厚的
This is called prem.
纯爱
If no affections,
如果根本就没有任何的爱意没有妈妈他没有归属感
no prem.
那这就不能被称为是纯爱就是虽然有情感但是没有这种完全的归属感没有这种非常深厚的爱和爱意
কোনো ভাগ্যে কোনো জীবী শ্রদ্ধা যদি হয় তবে সেই জীব সাধু সঙ্গ করে। If sometimes
如果一些时候
somebody have faithful mood, then he is going to sadhu association.
现在有这种坚定的信心这样的话
Without sadhu association, never bhakti come.
如果没有进入圣人联谊的话是不会有爱出现
Bhakti coming by sadhu association.
圣爱只来自于与圣人联谊
In this way, sadhu association is very, very important.
因此圣人的联谊非常非常重要
Sri Krishna spoke to Uddhava.
是krishna 告诉乌斗
Uddhava
乌斗
satsangena hi daiteya yatu dhana khagamrita. Gandharva apsaraso naga siddha charana goyaka. Demons,
恶魔们
Yatudhan Rakshas,
然后恶魔们
Khag, Mrigo, all entities
蚂蚁
without human beings. Other, all entities. Everyone, they found to Sri Krishna when they got sadhu association.
甚至是恶魔无神论者或者是身体更低阶的这些低阶
Te nadhita shruti gana
通
nopasit
过
mahatma.
方式得到了 Sri Krishna
They never read any Veda Shrutis.
所有的这些和生物体没有研习过任何的伟大经
Never did strong austerities.
也没有做过任何的苦行
Avrata traptatarsu. Never fasted and never did strong
没有
renunciation.
戒食过也没有进行过任何的弃绝生活
Only satsangan mamupagata.
仅仅是通过圣人联谊
By sadhu association they found to me.
仅仅通过圣人联谊便可以找到我就是 Krishna 找到这个世界
Sadhu sangha hoite hai sravana kirtan. Sadhana bhakti hai sarva anartha nivartan. When they are going sadhu association,
当他们进入圣人
by
联谊的时候
sadhu association, hearing Sri Krishna katha,
聆听到 Sri Krishna 的 katha
doing kirtan,
然后进行吟唱做
in
kirtan
this way all anartha
这样的话所有的 anartha
everything
恶习
going out.
就这样全会清除出来
anartha nivriti haile bhakti nishtha hai. Nishtha haite sravanadde ruchi upayai. When anartha is going out,
当这个 anartha 清除
darkness going,
灭除清除
in bhakti, then nishtha comes.
这样的话，从爱的话就是从爱的出现 ，Niska 出现，从爱之中的 Niska 坚定不移稳定的信心出现。
Nishtha, fixed mode.
Niska 坚定的稳定的。
Nishtha vaite sravanadde ruche upajay. When hearing Krishna Katha, from the Nishtha, then Ruchi.
Krishna 的开示的时候，
Ruchi vaite hoy, bhakti asakti prachur. Asakti vaite chitte, janme Krishna prityankur. From asakti. Then, in heart, prityankur, priti, possessiveness, mokta.
所以这种 pretty namata 归属感，
This is
这
called
种爱，爱。
Seirati karavaile dare premanam. Sei prema prayojan sarvananda dham. This vow will be more deep than prem coming.
这种爱，
This prem is
之后，
Sarvananda dham, our goal.
所以这种 prem 纯爱就是我们的。
Satam prasangan mama virya samvido bhavante ritkana rasayana katha tajjusanadvasya pavarga vartmani saddharatir bhakti ranukramesvati. When going sadhu associations,
当进入到圣人联谊之中，
why the sadhu?
中国圣人联谊，
Vidyavati Katha, very prabhavsali, very powerful Katha is here. When hearing this powerful Katha,
听到这种非常有力量的卡塔，
then heart,
然后
mind
心里、
and here
耳朵
make purity. Everything become pure. Very powerful Katha.
都变得正确，非常有力量的卡塔。
In this way, hearing more and more time, following this bhakti process, then
更多更多，
very strong faith.
这样的话更强大的信
In
心。
this way, slowly become progress.
这样慢慢的进步，
Then, bhav coming.
然后呢，到情感出现。
Jahar hridaye bhavankur hoy tate tika chinna sarva shastri goy. Then how can understand this devotees have bhav?
那怎么去理解？
You have bhav or the other person have bhav.
有报有情感，那其他人没有情感呢？区别是什么？
Chantir abhyartha kala. Viraktir mana sunna. Chanti chamagun.
参与长毛狗，
Chamagun means forgiveness.
长毛狗代表的是原谅，有宽容之心。
Devotees life anytime have forgiveness.
奉献者总是充满宽容，
No proud, no
没有
false
骄傲
ego,
没有这种假我，
no ahankar.
没有傲慢，就是假我。
In bhakti life, sadhu life, anyone, everyone life.
在奉爱
False ego is big problem.
在奉爱之中追随奉爱的话，有假我
Everywhere.
有这种
In
假我
this way,
出
devotee
现很多的麻烦，
must be controlled.
因此奉献者是要去控制自己的愤怒和假我。愤怒
In this way, chanti, forgiveness, chamagun.
要总是充满原谅、宽容之心，
Avyartha kalata. Never wastage time.
不要浪费时间，
No wastage time.
不浪费时间，
And detachment everywhere.
对所有的事物体没有依附依恋。
Manasunnata don't want any respect or anyone giving me respect.
不在意别人对我的尊敬。
Asa Bandha, hopeless mind. Hope, Krishna give him mercy. This Asa Bandha.
没有这种
Samutkanta eagerness.
然后呢，就充满
Always tasteful mood to Nam Gan, to Kirtan.
这种渴望值得
Singing,
聆
hearing
听、唱诵、铭记这些风爱口
too
中充
much
满口
attachment.
太多的依附依恋对这些程序、风爱程序。
Leave him in the holy place.
住在圣地，
In this way, this signing, this lecture, then bhav coming.
这就是这种情感出现的象征啊，各种前提。
Ei nava prityankur jachete hoy prakita khubetar chog nahi hoy. Who has this mood, forgiveness, then never be restless.
非常谦卑，
Always fixed mood, tolerant mind.
但是拥有这种宽容之心，并且总是对所有人给予帮助。
Like Parikshit Maharaj
就
told,
像巴利基特马来讲到，
after 7 days,
7天之后，
snakes biting me,
毒蛇将要咬死我，
I'll die.
我将会死去。
But I never think,
但是我不会去想的，
this is real or false.
这是真正的还是假的？
One Brahman boy gave curse me.
一个婆罗门的男孩给了我诅咒。
In this way, if he bite me,
那如果这个毒蛇咬了我，
I never think.
我也不会在意。
But everyone all together, you can speak Krishna Katha, Vishnu Gatha.
但是每个人都还
I want to listen
他的
Krishna.
为什么会看他？我想去聆
I
听
have
这个，
fixed mood.
去聆听这个坚定的
Because
信心。
When I leave mother room,
因为在我还在妈妈的腹中的时候，
at that time Asatama
师傅呢
use Brahmastra open.
就用这个主 Brahma 的这个武器，
He wants to kill me.
用主 Brahma 的这个武器想要杀死我。
But that time Sri Krishna came in mother room
但是
and he saved me.
想要杀死我，但是这个时候是一个神就来到我的妈妈的腹中，并且保护了我。
When I was born,
当我出生之后，
after then Sri Krishna took me on his lap,
就把我抱在他的腿上，
giving so much love and affection.
给了我很多的爱和爱意。
When I was young,
当我还很小的时候，
always
总是
I have seen to Sri Krishna Leela,
我总是看到是一个神的骄傲时光，
so Sri Krishna drama,
是一个神的
so many play. In this way,
骄傲时光娱乐，
public, they give me respect.
因此大众的人都给我很多的尊敬，
Whole life, always,
因为他是国王，
I am busy in Krishna Leela, Avinay drama.
所以一生呢。
Everything.